Do you find packing for holiday trips overwhelming? Today, I'm going to simplify it for you. We'll tackle everything from choosing versatile outfits to packing them neatly and making sure you're fabulously dressed for every occasion. Ready to pack smart and travel stylish? Well, let's get started. First up, let's dive into outfit planning. And the key is to be prepared for each activity on your upcoming trip without overpacking. Whether you're hitting the slopes, dining out, strolling through local markets, or hanging out with family, every event has its own vibe and requirements. The first thing you need to do is factor in the weather. Be sure to check the weather forecast for your destination because you could be surprised at how different it is from what you think it could be like and the current environment you're in. So for cold weather, you're going to prioritize warmth with layers that you can add or remove as needed. And I like to think of thermal undergarments, wool sweaters, and a good coat. If you're heading to a beach destination, focus on light, breathable fabrics like linen and cotton to keep you cool. Now let's take a look at your itinerary. What you need to do is break down your itinerary, write down as much as you can about what you think you're going to be doing on your trip day to day, because that will help you cover all the bases to dress stylishly and efficiently. Imagine you might be attending a chic dinner party, spending a day exploring local landmarks, or enjoying a relaxed family gathering. And each of these events calls for a different outfit approach. For the dinner party, you'll want something elegant but comfortable. So you could choose something like a versatile black dress paired with a piece of statement jewelry and a small clutch. This outfit could be dressed up with heels for the party or dressed down with flats for a less formal gathering. Now let's talk about if you're going out for a day of sightseeing. When you're out exploring, comfort and mobility are going to be the key things that you're going to want to feel in your outfit. So opt for a pair of comfortable, durable, yet stylish walking shoes, a pair of comfortable pants or jeans, and a breathable top. Layer it with a lightweight, water-resistant jacket that can handle the weather and keep you looking put together. For a family gathering, I like to go for a casual, comfortable outfit with a bit of style. A nice sweater or cardigan over a collared shirt paired with jeans or a casual skirt will offer flexibility and warmth. Now let's talk about the color schemes and fabrics you're going to choose for your trip. The biggest mistakes I think people do when they're packing for a trip, they don't think through all of the pieces as one cohesive look. And if you think of it that way, almost like a capsule wardrobe, it's going to make getting dressed and finding what you need so easy, and you'll be able to mix and match those pieces. So choosing a cohesive color palette will simplify your packing and your outfit coordination. So for a winter getaway, I like to recommend navy, gray, and pops of red for a festive but sophisticated palette. These colors will mix really well together and allow you to have multiple outfit combinations. In terms of fabric, wool is ideal for warmth. It doesn't wrinkle easily, and that makes it perfect for sweaters and heavy coats. Denim is also versatile and durable, great for everyday outings or casual evenings. Silk adds a touch of luxury for your dressier events, and it folds up so small, taking up very little suitcase space. By thinking ahead about your itinerary, the weather, and your color scheme, you can create a travel wardrobe that's both functional and fashionable. This approach will also not only save space, but ensure that you're well prepared for just about any occasion. And while we're talking about packing, that brings me to today's sponsor, Level 8. Are you thinking about the perfect holiday gift for the traveler in your life? Or maybe a treat to kickstart your new year of travels? Let's talk about something that combines style with practicality. Meet the Level 8 Voyager suitcase and textured carry-on. I received both of these suitcases from Level 8, and they have been a game changer to my travel. And they are not just suitcases, they are travel upgrades. The Voyager has a really unique wide handle design, making it super comfortable to maneuver even through those really busy holiday airports. And it's not just functional, it's fashionable too, available in a range of colors to suit any style. Now switching to the textured carry-on, this suitcase is a standout with its unique lightweight design. It's perfect for those quick holiday getaways or as a reliable companion for the seasoned traveler planning their next adventure. Its durable textured surface not only looks good, but stands up to the rigors of travel, making it a gift that keeps on giving. If you or someone you know loves to travel in style, these Level 8 suitcases are the ideal holiday gift. Make sure to grab yours using code SHOPPING10 for 10% off and make this holiday season one to remember. Go to the link in my description to shop now. Next, we're going to dive into the art of packing. With our outfits planned, let's pack. Don't just set your clothes in the suitcase. I like to roll my clothes to help prevent wrinkles and save space. I also like to pack my heavier items like boots and jackets near the wheels and lighter items like dresses and shirts at the top. You can also use packing cubes for underwear and socks to help keep things organized. Don't forget about your accessories. Your accessories are going to elevate any look. I like to select just a few versatile pieces, a cozy wrap that can be worn with multiple outfits, or if I'm heading to a warm weather destination, I'll choose a lightweight wrap that can be worn in the evenings or as a sarong at the beach. And I like to put my accessories in separate compartments, organizers, or bags to make sure they're easy to find and remain untangled. And a big strategy I like to use when I'm packing is I really try to pare down on the amount of footwear I take. I like to use a 3-shoe rule when I'm traveling. One pair that's dressy, one pair that's great for walking, and a third pair that's super comfortable and casual. And those shoes actually take up a lot of space in your suitcase. So take advantage of the space in the shoe by filling them with small items like socks or even your charging cables to minimize space. I want to talk about some of the things that are often overlooked when we talk about travel packing. And the first one is your beauty and makeup products. I like to look for travel size versions of my favorite makeup products. In fact, I've done a whole roundup of those. If you want to see a video on that, let me know in the comments. I will do a video on makeup minis if you'd like. And I also go and buy those little small containers so that I can put all of my lotions and potions and sprays in, so that if I want to carry it on, I have everything in a very small container, compact, and I'm not taking full-size bottles on my trip. Another thing I really love to do is I love to bring tech on my trip, especially for entertainment when I'm on a long flight or if I have a little downtime. I pack my tablet, headphones, and a charger that I can access during the flight. And I also want to touch on going through security. And don't forget to wear socks when you're traveling on the plane so that when you go through TSA and if you have to take off your shoes, you won't be barefooted. You'll have socks on to protect your feet. Did you find any of these tips helpful? Which packing tips are you most likely to use on your next trip? Let me know in the comments. You know I love hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video.